we've already multiplied 3 times -4, or 4 times -3, and we got -12. And we take the center, which is -11, and we figure out what adds up to that, and that's -12 and 1, which equals -11. So we use that one. So here we put that and that into the trinomial. So instead of -11y, we have 12x minus 1x. Oops, sorry, I used x. That should be a y. Okay, so yeah, now we're gonna look at each one by factoring. So between 4y squared minus 12y, what goes into both of those? Close. The 4 does, and what else? They both have at least one y in them. Oh. You know what I'm saying here? So basically what I'm saying, when you're factoring, you got to think of it this way. This is really 2 times y times y. This over here is -1 times 3 times 2 times 2 times y. Okay, this is just 3 times 4 times -1 is -12. Okay, when I reach into each one, so I reach into this bucket here, and I want to pull the same thing out of this bucket as I do out of this bucket. And when I do that, I can pull a 2 out of here and a 2 out of here. Okay, I can also pull another 2 out. So that's where we get the 4, and then a y and a y. Okay, so what happens is I took the 2 and the 2 and the y out. That's really 4y. And I left behind a y and a minus. -1 times 3 is a -3. So when you pull these out, what's left behind is that under multiplication. Okay, so you tell me, it's a little sloppy here, but we got y minus 3. What can I pull out of that? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me rewrite this. This is y minus 3. So now I'm going to do this one. Well, what can I pull out of this and this? Well, you don't see anything, but it's really, we just pull a 1 out. Oh, yeah. Okay, we got y minus 3. So now, again, interpret your answer. And I get a little messy here. Well, this matches and this matches, so that's one of our answers. And this and this are left over, and that will comprise our other answer. And that is the original answer factor. You could write it this way. That's legal. Okay. And then if you wanted to check your work, let me just show you last week's work. Y minus 3. If I FOIL this out, this times this is 4y squared. This times this is 1y. This times this is -12y. This times this is -3. And if you look, you get the same factors. You get 4y squared. You get the -12 and the 1, which we figured out. Okay, so we get 4y, that's a 4, 4y squared, minus 11y minus 3, and that checks with our original equation way back here. Oops, way back here. Okay,
and
so.
The next one, can you do it without, like, all the, like, separation and stuff?
Hold on, let me pause, or let me stop.